Jai Bole to all the students. Welcome back to the YouTube channel Mathematics Fun, and we are now moving further with the part 2 session of Standard 6 Ncert Mathematics, chapter number 1, knowing our numbers, question number 31 in the MCQ section. Now here we have been given with that 1 crore is similar to dash. It is 10 hundreds, 100 thousands, 1000 lakhs or 100 lakhs. Now here I have already mentioned in the Indian place value chart system that ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 lakhs, 10 lakhs and crore. If I change the things with the lakhs only, see, we all know that 1 crore is here. Now what I have done is I have written the Indian place value chart till 10 lakhs, and in the crore I have written 100 lakhs. Why 100 lakhs? Because we have to go with the options they have given. So as if I change this crore after here it ending at 10 lakhs, so after that the number what will come, it's 100 lakhs only, right? According to the international system there was 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. Similarly we have kept counting like that, lakhs, 10 lakhs and 100 lakhs. So 1 crore is always equal to 100 lakhs, and it is will be going with the option D, that is 100 lakhs. Okay. Now next question, question number 32. Which number is the smallest one out of this? Okay. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digit number, again 5 digit number, again 5 digit, again 5 digit. All the 4 options has got 5 digits of the number, right? Now if comparing the front number, that is at the 5th place, so here ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. At the 10,000 place we have in option A 7, then 2, then 6, then again 6. So if we compare the numbers, obviously we know that the smallest one is 2 out of 7, 2 and 6. So we can directly take the option B for the smallest number in this 4 option. Now moving on to the question number 33. Which of the following option is written in ascending order? We know that ascending order means increasing order, right? Increasing order means, again increasing order means smallest to the greatest or the biggest. Okay. Now as we are seeing in the option, these signs are representing in this way, means on the left hand side. So we will neglect the option A. Why? Because it is showing sign onto the lesser than side. And the same way the option C is also there, so we will neglect the option C also. Now what we have been remained with? We have been remained with the option B and option D. Let us now identify that is which is the correct option. Let us try to solve the numbers in the Roman numeral to the Hindu Arabic numbers, right? Now M is representing 1000, D is representing 500, C is representing 100, L is for 50, 10 and the 2. If we add up all the things, that is 1000 plus 500, 1500 plus 100, 1600 plus 50, 1650 plus 10, 1660 and 2. So it will become 1662. Moving to the second one, D represent 500 and C represent 100, 50, 10 and 8. So 500 plus 100, 600 plus 100, 700, L for 50, so 750 plus 10, so 760 and 8. So it has 768. Now see, compare the number, students. We want ascending order, that is in increased order, that is in smallest to the greatest. But what we are getting in this option, we are getting greatest to the smallest. So again the option B will be the neglected, right? So it will go off. Now we have been remained with only one option, that is option D. So option D will be the correct one. let us see that is it correct or not. Let us cross check also, right? Now, C is for 100, X is on the left of the C. It means 100 minus 10, so it will give 90, and this is for the 7, so it has 97. Then, now 100 minus 10, so it's 90, 90 plus 100, 190, and it become 194. Then comes this. Now 500 plus 100 plus 100, so 500 plus 100 plus 100, it become 750, and then X, so 760, okay, and then 8, so 768. So it is increasingly, right? So we are moving quite accurately now. Now M is for 1000, D is for 500. So M is for 1000, D is for 500. So 1500 plus 100. So 1500 plus 100. So 1600 plus 50. 1650 plus 10. So 1660 plus 2. So it is 1662. So now we can see that 97, then 194, then 768, then 1662. So option D is very correct. Okay, now X and X is equivalent to, we know X is representing 10, so 2 times X will be representing 10 plus 10, that is equal to 20. So it will go with the option B. Place value of 6 in 2617. Okay, place value is there. So let us draw the chart of the place value system: 1000, 100, tens and ones, and arrange the number. So 2, 6, 1 and the 7. Okay, so now the place value of the 6, so it is at the H, that means at the 100 place. So 100 place means 6 into 100, and that will be equal to 600. So according to the option, we can move with the option C. Okay, now moving with the next question, question number 36. The greatest 3-digit number using digits 2, 1 and 5 without any repetition. Okay, now the greatest is there and only 3 digits number is there. So 100, tens and ones. Okay, and the numbers are 2, 1 and 5. So always remember, as we have done in the previous video also, that whenever we want the greatest digit, we will be putting up the smallest one digit into the ones place. So here, out of these 3, the smallest is 1, so it will be put up at 1. Then at the tens place next, so that is 2, and at the 100 place, the remaining number 5. So the greatest 3-digit number using the digits 2, 1 and 5 is 521, that is option C. Next, moving to the question number 37. 37, expand the number. Okay, expanding the number 3, 4, 5, 6, 0, 0. Actually, it should be in the words, right? The options are written into the words, not it is in the expanded form. Okay, so we will change it and we will be writing the words. How we can write in the words now? See, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0, 0. Okay, let us arrange the things into the place value system. 6 digits are there. So 0, T, H means ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakhs. Okay, now arranging the numbers from the back side: 0, 0, 6, 5, 4 and 3. So as when we have arranged, we can see that 3 lakhs. Okay, so in the option, here is 3, here is 3 lakhs, here is 3 lakhs. 3 options are there, right? Then at the tens place, 45,000 in the thousands section, it is 45,000. So this option is rejected now. Now these 2 are remaining, and then it comes 600. So the option D will be here, that is 3,45,600. Moving on to the next one, question number 38. If we add one more to the greatest 2-digit number, Now again, remember the old things. Greatest single digit number is 9. Greatest two digit number will be 99. And if we add up 1 to that, it means what? This is 10, 1 carry and 10, 100. What we got? 100. These are the single digit smallest number and the 1. It means what? We have got the smallest 3 digit number. So according to the question, if we go and according to options, so for this question the correct answer will be smallest 3 digit number, that is the option C. Whenever we add 1 to the greatest 2 digit number, we get the smallest 3 digit number. Now question number 39. If we add 1 more to the greatest 3 digit number, we get, now 3 digit greatest number means 3 times 9, right? 999 plus 1. So 10, 1 carry, 0, again 1 carry, 10. 4 digit number we have got, and all these are the smallest digits numbers, and this is the 1. So what we have got, when we add greatest 3 digit number with 1, we get the smallest 4 digit number, that is according to this questions and options, we get option A as the correct answer. Moving further, question number 40. 1 crore is equal to 1 million, 10 million, 100 million or the 1000 million. Now here is the comparison between the Indian place value system as well as the international place value system. Let us first write according to the Indian place value system. So it is like this: crore, 10 lakhs, lakhs, 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens and ones. Whereas in international system, if we count, it will go like this: ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, then million and 10 million and 10 million. So what? Crore, 1 crore is representing to the 10 million box. So according to that, option B will be the correct option, and it is 10 million. 10 million is equal to 1 crore. Question number 41. Which number is the smallest? Okay, again we have been conflicted with the which number is the smallest. Okay, or first check, all the number are of 4 digit. Okay, fine. Next what we have to check? The place values at the thousands place, the number at the thousands place. So thousands place here 2, 1, 7 and 1. In comparison with 2, 1 and 7, 1. Okay, 1 is repeated twice. So in 1, 7 and 2, smallest number is 1. So we have been neglecting this 2 as these 2 are the greater. We want the smallest one. Now comparing the smallest one, now we have two numbers: 1, 2, 7, 8, 1, 2, 2, 6. Now 1000 place are same, 100 place are same, but if we look at to the tens place, 7 is greater than the 2. So 2 is the smaller here. So the number 1, 2, 2, 6 will be the smallest one. So option D will be the correct answer over here. Okay, option D will be the correct answer. Out of this 4, 1, 2, 2, 6 is the smallest number. Now moving on to the question number 42. 42, what does it say? Which of the following option is correct according to the rules of the writing Roman numerals? Okay, we have to identify which is the correct option which has been written correctly in the format of Roman numerals. Now if we move to the first option, DDXC, we know that we never write DD. DD means 500 plus 500, 1000. We always represent 1000 with M. Okay, M is used for the 1000. This is the correct way. We never use DD. So this will be cancelled. Okay, next. Moving further, again if you see here it's been given with the XD7. We never write 500 minus 10. Okay, XD means what? If we use the rules that left hand side has to be subtracted. So 500 minus 10, right? But is it so? Is it so? We ever write that 500 minus 10 in this? No, we always go for the 400 has been written as C and D, right? So this will become 500 minus 100, so that is equal to 400, right? So if we have to write again 490, so what we have to use is C, D and right X, okay? So X will be there, okay? So this won't working. Again, L and L is repeated. We never repeat the same numbers. There is always representing 50 plus 50 is 100. We always represent 100 by C. So this also be neglected. So only the option B will be the correct one here. Now moving with the 43rd one. Which of the following shown as repetition of symbols to write the Roman numerals? Okay. Whenever we write the Roman numerals, okay, such a kind, right? How can we represent them in the Hindu Arabic form? Just by adding them, right? We are adding next to next to next, right? This is M. M is representing 1000 plus D is representing 500. So 100 plus 500 plus C is 100. So always we are adding up these numbers, adding up the alphabeticals into the Hindu Arabic form, and we use only the repetition of addition each and every time to identify the Roman numerals in the normal numeric form. So it will be always be option C, that is addition. Now this is the 44 question is the expanded form has been given. You have to identify the number which exactly will be forming after adding this up. Okay, so let us write. First one is 3 lakhs plus, then comes the 4000 plus 800 plus it's a 7, right? So it will be 708403. Now check from the option, so we can identify that option B is matching with our answer. So it will be the 3,04,807. So option B will be the correct answer here. Let us quickly move to the question number 45. Which number is the greatest? Okay, which number is the greatest? Here 4 options are there. Okay, 2361, 2136, 1263, 6123. Okay, so arrangement is just mismatch. Let me write into the according to the form one by one, so we can identify easily that which number is the greatest. This is the simplest one question here, because what is there, if we try to identify the greatest number through the question or the options, what we say is, suddenly if you recognize that in comparing with the thousands place, 2, 1 and 6 is there in overall, and 6 is the greatest number at the 1000th place. So obviously 6123 will be the greater in this all the 4 options. So option D will be the correct one. Let us move to the question number 46. When 1 is subtracted from the smallest 5-digit number, what is the result? Smallest 5-digit number has been taught. Okay, smallest 5-digit number means the smallest single digit number is 0. Now we can't write 5 times 0 because it doesn't make any number. So at the 5th place, what we will write? We will write 1. So this is the smallest 5-digit number. After that, we have to subtract 1 from here. Now what happens? 0 can't subtract 1. So it will get carry from here. So this become 10. Again this cube carry, this become 10, this become 9. Again this cube carry to this, so this become 10, this become 9. Again this carry to this, so this become 10 and this becomes 9. Now 10 minus 1 is 9, and rest 1, 2 and 3 9s are there. So what we have got? 4 times 9. Again 9 is the single digit greatest number. It means what? 4 times 9 means it is the greatest 4-digit number. So according to the option C will be the correct one. It is the greatest 4-digit number. Here are the few one-liners. Okay, fill in the blanks. Let us identify and try to solve this. The greatest number in 8142, 8214, 8412. Okay, compare the number and identify which will become the greatest. Okay, so the numbers are, the first one is 8142, the second is 8214, the third is 8412. Okay, thousands place, let us check. All the three are same. Okay, we can't identify. At the 100 place, here it's 1, here it's 2, here it's 4. What we have been asked? Greatest number. So in comparing with the 100 place, 1, 2 and 4, we know that 4 is the greatest out of this 1, 2 and 4 at the 100 place. And at the thousands place, all the numbers are same. It means what? Here it's greatest. It means 8412 is the greatest number out of this 3. So here our answer will become 8412. Next, the smallest 4-digit number. Smallest 4-digit number we have to identify. The single smallest digit number is 0. But 4 times 0 we can't write. So at the first we will be writing 1. So the smallest 4-digit number 1, 2, 3, and at the 4th place I will write 1, so it become a recognized number. So 1000 will be the smallest 4-digit number. 4231 taken to nearest 1000 is, okay, what they have asked, nearest 1000. Now what if I write 1000, 100, tens and ones? So it becomes 4, 2, 3 and 1. Okay, now here it's 4000, at the 1000th place it's 4. So in this side it is 4000 and this side it is 5000. Why I am writing these two numbers only, 4000 and 5000? Because we need to identify the nearest 1000. Okay, 4231 is nearest to which 1000? 4000 or 5000? Okay, now what comes? If, let us see this 1000th place, if we kept away this number and remaining 3 number if we take 2, 3 and 1. 231 is to be subtracted to reach to the 4000. Or else what we have to do, if we have to reach to the 5000, we need to add more numbers to 231. Now if here's difference from 4000 to 4031 is 231, directly we can say. But difference to the 4231 to reach to the 5000 is much more, because if you subtract 5000 231, so this can't be subtracted, so 4, it will carry 10, then it will carry to 10, it will become 9, it will become 9, it will become 10. Now 10 minus 1 will be the 9, 9 minus 3, 6, 9 minus 2, 7, 4, 0. It requires 769. So what the number is given is 4231 and we have to take it to the nearest 1000. Now if it has, this number has to move to the nearest 1000, that is 4000 is 231, or for 5000 it requires 769. So which is the smallest space, smallest steps or the smallest number? So smallest number is 231. Easy way to reach to the 4000, they can reach early, right? So 4000 will be the nearest 1000 for the 4231. Now the smallest number in 20051, 150, 50120, 51200. Okay, let us arrange, or directly if we can say that all the numbers are of 5 digits, then let us compare the first digits of each number. We want the smallest one. Now here it's 2, 1, 5 and 5. So in comparing 1, 2 and 5, we know that 1 is the smallest out of these 3 numbers. So the number with starting with the 1, that is 15020 will be the smallest number out of this 4 given number. Then the greatest 5-digit number, we all know that single digit greatest number is number 9. So 5 times 9 will be the greatest 5-digit number, and that is 99,999. Okay, this is ones, tens, hundred, thousand and 10,000. So we can say that 99,999 is the greatest 5-digit number. Successor of 125 is, we have already discussed in the previous video. Successor means plus 1 means the very next number, predecessor means minus 1 the previous number. So here we have to identify the successor. So 1 to 5 plus 1, so this becomes 6, 2 and 1. So 126 will be the successor of the number 1 to 5. Place value of 6 in 2, 6, 3, 4, 9. Okay, let us count. This is ones, this is tens, this is 100, this is 1000 and this is 10,000. So 6 is at the thousands place. It means 6 into 1000. So the place value of 6 is 6,000. Next, 70,007 is written in figure as, okay, 70,000, it means what? At the 10,000 place there is the value. Okay, if we write into the Indian numeric system, so 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens and ones. Okay, 70,007. Okay, to 7, 0, because it's a 70,000, so overall it's 70,000, and 7, ones place has 7, rest 2 has given nothing, no hundreds, no tens, so this will be kept as 0. So we got 70,000 as 7, written in figure as 70007. Now 241 taken to the nearest 100. See, we have just now seen the thousands one, right? We have to identify the gap or the both the side of the number, and accordingly we will be writing the number. So if we write 241, right, it's a 100 nearest, we have to identify the nearest 100. So on this side it's 200, on this side is 300. As we know that it was 00 and this is 241, so here the gap is of 41. Okay, 41. But what about this? So here's the gap is of 59. If you subtract 300 minus 241, you will get here is 59. So which gap is small? This gap is small. So nearest 100 taken for 241 will be 200. Okay, so 200 will be the nearest. Now the predecessor of 3980 is 3980's predecessor means what? The previous number means what? We have to subtract 1 from the given number. So 3980 minus 1, right? Now 0 can't subtract 1, so it will take a carry from here. So 10 minus 1 will be 9. Here it becomes 7, 9 and 3. So 3979 will be the answer for the predecessor of 3980. Thank you students, hope that you will be enjoying these sessions. This was the end of the chapters, conception based into the chapter number 1 of standard 6 mathematics, knowing our numbers. Hope if you enjoy the session, please do comment in the session, and also please do subscribe the channel and share with your friends and the family members so they can have a free learning with fun and at a free of cost. Thank you and have a nice day to all. Bye bye.